Have you ever wondered why Indian highways still have potholes, faded paint, or flooded stretches, despite being built to world-class standards? Let me break it down for you. Here's the thing. On paper, Indian highways are supposed to tick all the boxes. The Indian Roads Congress, the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, even the Bharatmala guidelines, they all lay out exactly how highways should be built. We're talking proper pavement, drainage, safety barriers, signage, lighting, you name it. But the reality on the ground, that's a different story. The biggest issue is maintenance, or rather, the lack of it. Sometimes quality checks get skipped, or audits aren't conducted honestly. That's why those top layers of road crumble way before their time. And let's not forget drainage. When side drains are blocked or poorly built, one good monsoon can turn a smooth highway into a patchwork of potholes. Repairs? Often they're delayed. You might see a pothole festering for weeks before anyone steps in. Routine maintenance like trimming the verges or fixing up road signs gets ignored. Another biggie is contracts. Some highway contracts just don't enforce proper upkeep. If the contractor isn't held accountable, the road quickly starts falling apart. But it's not all doom and gloom. New expressways, especially those funded by tolls, are showing us what's possible. Performance-based contracts, drones and AI surveys are making a difference. Bottom line, Indian highways are designed well, but they're only as good as their upkeep. With more tech and better monitoring, things are improving. Still, until routine maintenance becomes a priority everywhere, those frustrating road issues will keep popping up.